Welcome to the vlog. It's Saturday. Yesterday we crocheted all day and filmed. Today we went shopping. We started off at Lowe's because I had to get some plants for the garden. And boy, did I get some plants. I got eggplant. I got a pepper. I got two different types of peppers. I think I got a red pepper and I got some other kind of pepper. I don't even remember. I got some replacement air plants for my holders that they didn't survive the winter. I have had air plants for a long time. But sometimes they just come to the end of their life. I got this little dachshund one with a air plant in its back. What else did I get? Oh, I treated myself to a #1 mom. This was marked down because one of the magnets came off the back. It's fine with me. I got a cherry tomato. I think I got another cherry tomato and a pepper plant to join the two plants that we got at Aldi last week, which are doing pretty well over here. This one has grown a lot. I should water these today. Got like a beefsteak tomato. And wow, this one has really, it's grown like 5-6 inches at least. But I think there's a frost warning tonight or tomorrow. So I'm not going to put those outside yet. I'll have to put them in the window. So after Lowe's, we went to Target, where I got some more markdown cereal, which Mark told me was crap, and he was right. Guess I'm not getting that again. But we also got his favorite Rowdies. Good treats for rowdy dogs. That's him, all right. Chicken and peanut butter. Thank you, Sean. Sean's very happy right now.
Where's dark?
Because we just had dinner with Kristen, and dinner was Burger King. So that was nice. It was nice to have dinner with my child. It was very nice. At her house. Mark found this little gem here. This was half price. The Japanese dipping sauce. We love this brand. Bakken's. Or Bashans. I don't know how to say it. We also found some Myers room freshener. Myers Clean Day room freshener marked down in mint. I didn't think I would like mint, but I do like that. Sean got some gum. Here you go. Enjoy. He was actually really good today. He did not cause a ruckus. He was very good. Good boy. I think that's everything I got at Target. Yeah. So then after Target, we ran over to Aldi. We got a lot of stuff at Aldi today. They had this ramen bowl marked down to like 99 cents, so I got 2 of those. That's the curry ones. We got some protein ramen, plant-based. I think this is like $1.39. We got 2 of those. We got another organic boule. We got organic black beans. We got refried beans. I got some Nashville hot chicken flavored chips. Some Cuban black beans. I got 2 more of those because I really like them. And I'm sure they're going away, because that's only a seasonal thing. We got some beautiful raw walnuts. Some diced tomatoes with chilies. My favorite seasoning for like everything. Salt, pepper, garlic. This I know is going away. The Nordic sourdough. I bought 3, but yes, you only see 2 here because we attacked one of the bags in the car and it's already gone. I got some more of the chili garlic edamame in the pod. I really like this. I got some apple strudel that's frozen. You bake it. 2 boxes of mushrooms and a bag of cheddar vegan shreddies. So then, before we went to Burger King, but after Aldi, we went to ShopRite. And this does not look like $85 worth of food, but that is what it cost. We got 3 bottles of the high protein milk. This was on sale for $2.99, so we got 3 of them. Mark got a special juice. I got my special juice, the red hot wing sauce. Medea cheese was on sale, so I got a provolone, some mozzarella sticks, and an Italian shreddies. We got some Earth Balance butter, Beyond beef with the avocado oil. Did you guys know that Beyond is coming out with a 4-ingredient ground brick? I think the 4 ingredients are like fava bean, some sort of textured vegetable protein thing, or I'm totally making this up. It had like 4 ingredients, to which you said, that sounds bland and dry, the new Beyond brick. But I think the reason why they're doing that is so that you can add as much oil as you want, and you can add the seasoning that you want.
Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it's very good.
Well, I haven't tried it yet, so I can't really say. But I think it's nice that they give it to you like the base, and you can customize it yourself. Or if you don't want to customize it yourself, just buy this one. Or if this is too strong or greasy or whatever for you, buy one of each and mix them together. Problem solved. I also got some Golden's, I call it Golden, it's Gouldens spicy brown mustard. I grew up eating this mustard. We almost never got like the French's yellow mustard. We always got Gouldens. Some Boar's Head pickles. The goldfish were on sale, so we had to get 4 for $7. But we got some little training treats. The pesto was on sale, the vegan pesto, so got 2 of those. And an assortment of refried beans here that are accidentally vegan. So then, like I said, we had a very nice dinner over at my oldest daughter's house. And Sean took his last bite of food, sat back, and fell asleep at the table within a minute of finishing eating. Is that not incredible?
He's special.
Yeah, he is. So, I'm going to put this food away. Oh, sorry, I got 2 bags of sweet potatoes also at ShopRite. They were 2 for $4. So I'm going to relax because I don't have to cook tonight. This is almost as good as Mother's Day, maybe even better. So I'm going to relax. I'm going to do some crocheting tonight. I'm going to get a little bit caught up on some housework. Tomorrow's going to be a relaxing day as well. I believe Maddie and her husband are going to the movies. They're going to see the, is it the Hail Mary Project? Is that the name of the movie? Project Hail Mary. Yes, I have turned into my parents. I never get anything right anymore. I probably don't even know how to program a VCR. If we even had one. Alright, so I will see you guys later. Thank you. Oh, guess where we are. Wow, look at these. I love these. If these were irises, they would remind me so much of Van Gogh. By the way, we're at the Arboretum.
Nope. Oh.
Where we usually come for the Christmas lights. Yes. Sean used to have a little job here. One day a week. The school used to bus him over to rake leaves and do some composting and stuff like that. So it's exciting. I wonder if he remembers. Sean, do you remember when you used to come work here? You used to have to bring us a homemade lunch back then.
Where did you used to go when you used to work here?
Work.
Probably in the greenhouse, I think.
Were you over there?
Yeah.
Stay tuned.
I think he used to plant the seeds for the Mother's Day plant sale too. Yep. Oh, look, we're in our favorite garden, the Alpine water garden. This is Mark's favorite tree. Can't blame him.
Love the color.
Love that red maple back there. But I love these little sagey things too. I'm not exactly sure what they are. Sean has not stopped chattering the entire time. It's been a lot. Hi, Bumblebee. Let's see if we can find some frogs today.
Yeah, why are we using an
Don't know. Oh, the tulips. Somebody's having their photo shoot for their kinsey over there. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, the red of their dress is so really beautiful. This is usually where they have the Christmas tree.
Yes.
Seems so much bigger in the winter. Look, it's us. And I look like Peter Clouseau, the French detective, today with my trench coat and hat. I'm sure everyone was having a good laugh because you guys were.
You know what? But then there was a group of women that kind of were just like you, so you fit in.
Okay. Good for me then. Love this. They made a butterfly thing.
Yes.
It's new, I think.
Mm-hmm.
They're having a Mother's Day plant sale.
Mm-hmm.
Sponsored by Friends of the Orange County Arboretum.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think? Yeah.
Eh.
Oh, hi.
Hello,
Look at this.
lady.
Oh my god.
What's going on?
A lot of crocheting's going on.
That's for sure.
They took his legs off and they threw him over here.
Well, I got a body over here.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Well.
man.
I see your body. And I don't even know what to raise you. Maybe some flowers?
You have a few bodies without heads over here.
Yeah.
And vice versa.
There's a collection of heads.
Yes.
At least 3 or 4 heads.
Multiple heads, multiple... Oh, this is... Oh, that's so cute.
Yeah, thank
Kitty.
you. That was
That was a while ago.
last was it like September?
Yeah, it was a long time ago.
Yeah.
But anyway, it's Monday evening.
Yeah. It sure is.
Oh, sorry. I can't stop yawning right now.
Well, that's understood because it has been a weekend.
It's been busy, busy, busy. I had fun, though.
I had fun. You missed out on the Arboretum yesterday.
I know. But Sean and I did go to see Project Hail Mary.
Oh, how was it?
It was phenomenal.
Oh.
It reminded me of Wicked in the sense of, like, it was 2.5 hours, but as you're watching it,
It didn't feel like 2.5 hours?
it doesn't feel like 2.5 hours. It goes, like, you're on the journey. I feel like I went to space and back
Wow.
yesterday, but it was awesome.
Did you go to Mars in your flip-flops and sweatpants?
No, I'm not Gary Oldman. But yeah, I can't recommend that movie enough. The book also, I was so happy that they extended the theatrical run for that movie.
Yeah.
Because that gave both me and Sean the chance to read the book before we could go see it.
Oh, Sean read it too?
Yeah, he read it and then I read
Nice.
it. And it's just phenomenal in general, but getting to see it on the big screen was definitely worth it.
Good for you.
Yeah, so if you guys are interested in that movie, make sure you check it out because they extended the theatrical run.
Well, this is my big screen.
Oh, that works too.
That's
I
big
can't
enough
wait for you guys to see it so we can talk about it.
You know what Bowie said?
He said, woof, woof, woof.
He said, my daddy's home! Bowie, stop.
Puppy.
At least get up and go to the door. Don't just
No, comfy.
sit there and bark.
Puppy.
He's ridiculous.
He's saying, alert, alert.
Yeah,
Bubba.
that's ridiculous, Bowie.
Hates Halloween.
Yeah, he hates Halloween.
Bowie,
I think he probably does, because he just is
People
scared
come
of
to the
people.
door.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He says, I don't know if I could sustain that level of barking.
Bubby, you don't need to bark. Go see your daddy. But anyway.
We don't have any birthday shout-outs today.
Well, today is my brother-in-law's birthday, but you guys don't know him. But hopefully
don't
he's
know
having
that.
a good day. I would assume most of the people watching don't know.
You don't know that for a fact, but today is also May the 4th.
That's right.
May the 4th be with you.
Yes.
I know my nephew is giggling somewhere in California right now.
Yeah, I keep seeing the Lucille Bluth meme from Arrested Development where
Yeah.
she's like, here's some money, go see a Star War. Good times.
I think my nephew is probably the biggest Star Wars fan
He's a pretty big fan.
ever, because he forced his whole family to love it too.
Yeah. That's
So-
right, Bubby.
Also, tomorrow is, well, today is also Cinco de
Quattro.
Quattro.
Our... yeah, that's right. Another Arrested Development tie-in.
Wow.
That show is for all time.
Yes, it is. It's going to be really sad when they start dying.
He already did.
Who?
Lucille Bluth. Come
Oh,
on.
she did?
Yes.
Oh, I didn't remember that.
Yeah, it was very sad. And then today, John Sterling passed away. That was
Yeah.
sad. All of us Yankee fans. It
Yeah.
was a bummer.
He was a great announcer.
Yeah, he did a great job.
Story continue. Only
He had
this
triplets.
time.
I found that was insane.
Yeah. They're pretty young.
I thought they were like 25.
Yeah, it's pretty young.
Oh, for an old lady like you?
Well, he was 87, so...
Oh. Well, he was pretty old. They weren't that young.
He had those kids in his 60s.
Yeah.
But anyway, great baseball announcer.
Yes. So tomorrow is Cinco de Mayo.
Yes, that's right.
We're going to be having our Mexican feast,
Oh.
but you won't.
I made Mexican last night, so I am having it tonight and possibly tomorrow. Probably tomorrow night.
Okay.
too.
But tomorrow is very special because we're going to be on Tammy's live stream.
Yes, Tuesdays with Tammy.
Tammy, the crafty mompreneur.
Yes, so if you guys want to join us with Tammy, we will be on her channel at 6:30 p.m. Eastern. It should be a lot of fun. We're
I'll
really
leave a
looking forward
link
to
in
it.
the info box.
For her
Or
channel.
the description box. Yeah, for her channel.
Yeah, it should be a lot of fun.
Yeah.
The only thing I'm nervous about is we're doing it at my place, and I don't know if we're going to have the AC in by tomorrow. And it's
I
gonna
don't care about that.
I do! I don't want to pass out. It's going to be pretty warm tomorrow,
Well,
and
you're going to have to put a fan in front of you.
my apartment gets very hot because we're not on the first floor, so...
Here I am.
You have to sit on a block of
rises.
ice.
Yeah, but I'm looking forward to the good times, to the people. It's going to be fun.
I hope people show up.
Yeah, of course.
Well, they will for
If
Tammy.
not, we're just
but
going to hang out with Tammy.
that's
So
cool.
that's fun, too.
Yeah. So you have anything else to add?
I think that's it.
I have to say I was very disappointed at the Arboretum. I think one of the, I don't know if I filmed the clip after we went to the water feature.
Like the rock garden?
The rock garden, yeah.
Hey, Lamb.
Alpine rock garden, I think it's called,
Yeah.
or something like that. There was somebody trying to catch a frog in a net.
Take that, good food.
And leave them alone.
Yeah. This is their home. You're
Yeah.
visiting their home.
Yes. So don't try and capture the
Toy
residents.
Story.
Yeah,
It's not
not
cool.
Terra.
I'm still sad about it.
I'm glad I wasn't there for that.
I know. You probably would have.
I would have been pretty upset.
Yeah.
Well, anyway, on that note,
Yeah.
thank you all so much for watching. We hope you have a wonderful week. It's going to be a busy week
Yeah.
for us this week. We got a lot going
It's
on.
gonna be in the 80s, I think.
But also, it's just busy.
Yeah.
Lots to do.
I don't
So-
think we're gonna get to the garden tomorrow.
No, I don't. It's not happening tomorrow.
No.
I was thinking maybe like Thursday. We'll see.
Possibly.
We gotta keep an eye on the weather.
Yeah.
But
I know.
thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you soon. And until next time,
Much love. Bye, everybody.